Tired of vanilla Minecraft's blocky visuals? Let's unlock a world of breathtaking beauty by installing shaders with the Fabric mod loader. First, make sure you have Fabric installed for your desired Minecraft version. If you haven't already, download the latest Fabric installer from their official website and run it. Select your Minecraft version and the loader. Then click Install. Once Fabric is installed, open your Minecraft launcher and ensure the new Fabric profile is selected in the drop-down menu. Now, to enable shaders, we need a specific mod called Iris Shaders. You'll also need a shader pack. I recommend checking out some popular ones like Complementary Shaders or BSL Shaders. Download the Iris Shaders mod file and your chosen shader pack zip file. It's time to put these mods into your game. Navigate to your Minecraft installation folder. The easiest way to do this is to press the Windows key +R, type %app.a% and hit enter. From there, find the Minecraft folder and open it. Inside your Minecraft folder, you should see a folder named Mods. If it doesn't exist, simply create a new folder and name it Mods. Drag and drop the Iris Shaders jar file you downloaded into this Mods folder. Next, go back to your shader pack zip file. Don't extract it. Just drag and drop the shader pack zip file directly into the Mods folder as well. Fabric is smart enough to read them from here. Now, launch Minecraft using your Fabric profile. You should see the game load up. Once you're in your world, open your video settings. You should now see a shaders button. Click on it. Here, you'll see the shader pack you placed in your mods folder. Select it, and then click done. The game will reload your shaders. And there you have it. Not only have you enhanced your game's visuals with realistic lighting, shadows, and beautiful water effects, but you've also gained a smoother and more customizable shader experience thanks to Fabric and Iris.